Image smoothing is one of the very first step in many of the computer vision and image processing applications, and specifically for robot vision as well. For example, as we have seen earlier, image smoothing can be useful for noise reduction. It can also be useful for removing unnecessary texture in images. For example, let's suppose if our goal is to detect obstacles or detect road, and if there is a lot of noise, perhaps due to various environmental factors or perhaps due to texturedness, then it's often advisable to actually make the region homogeneous to lose out the unnecessary details that are present in a particular region. But the problem with the most of the image smoothing methods that we discussed earlier was that they smooth out the images via blurring. So when we blur the images, we are definitely going to smooth out the images and get more homogeneous regions, but it also removes some of the very important details in images, for example, edges. So can we develop a method that can smooth the images, make the region corresponding to a particular object or a particular road more homogeneous, while at the same time preserves the sharp transitions, for example, the transition between a road and non-road, the transition between an obstacle in the environment. So can we develop a method that smoothes out these regions as well as preserve their boundaries, their sharp transition? So can we develop a method that smoothes out the images to reduce the texture, to make the regions belonging to a particular object or a particular class more homogeneous, while at the same time preserving their very essential details like the sharp transitions, like the edges and many other such finer details in an environment. So in this lecture we are going to discuss methods that smooth the images while at the same time preserve sharp transitions, the large sharp transitions across regions. And these methods are very useful to smooth out the images while at the same time preserving the edges in images. So for example, let's suppose there's a noisy road region and then there's an environment region, and if you smooth out the images using the methods that we discussed previously, like a regular filter, it will smooth out the road, but it will also blur the boundary between the road and non-road. So in this lecture we will consider methods that will smooth out the regions but won't blur the boundaries or the edges between regions. So we will cover two such methods in this lecture. One is bilateral filter and the other is Kawahara filter.